in some consumer marketplaces, people just match like participants, but what we're seeing in B2B is like a lot more control over like all aspects, end to end, the control between buyers and sellers and how logistics gets done. So I guess how important is that in your businesses? Do you need to quality check? I know, Erez, you have this warehouse, right, in France where all the fish get funneled. Do you have to take a lot more active role?
Yeah, I think it's quite important. Again, in seafood, like what the supplier cares about is, as you guys can imagine, it's the stuff is rotting away as soon as it leaves the ocean. So you kind of need to push it through the chain as quickly as possible. And so suppliers, what they care about the most is making sure that they sell the fish quickly and then they get paid on time. And then for the buyers, the more important bit is like finding the fish that they're looking to buy, but then getting them at the right quality and at the right time. And that's been a massive pain. So I think that where we meet it as consumers is that you show up to a restaurant, you look at the menu, there is a fish there that you really want, and then the waiter comes and says, we don't really have it today. That's mainly because of the supply chain challenges that are occurring. And so the key thing for us was to create something in the middle that we ensure that the quality is exactly like was promised to the customer. The logistics run on time. We don't own any of the logistics, but we make sure that like the trucks leaves on time. And if someone is not getting their fish because the boxes missed the connection, we will replace them. So that's quite big for us to build the trust in the industry.
And are your market, Jina and Sam, are your marketplaces similar? Do you get involved or you're not involved?
Well, not from our side too much on hands-on. So we're drop shipment, so we don't touch the stock. I guess for us, our hands-on service is more at the beginning stage and the recommending and sharing samples so that they can actually see products before they buy. And then from that stage, once they try and they love, then they kind of purchase, and then we don't need to touch the stock.
You kind of carefully vet the participants.
Yes.
And that's your kind of quality control.
Yes, exactly.
Rather than taking physical control of the stock. Yeah.